Guys, kung sino po yung interesado na bumili nitong Voyager X. Yan. Branded siya. Slightly used. Pinalitan na namin ng bagong PSA lock. Bago po yan. Bagong ayos na rin ang mga wheels. And na-check na rin po ng technician namin. Maganda yung cage na to. Hindi ito babasagin guys. Yan o. For only 1,500. Magaganda po yung mga wheels niya. Tsaka dito babasagin yung matibay. 100% na chinek na ng technician namin. And good quality sliders and zipper. Yan po may tatak. Okay pa yung handle. Okay pa yung telescopic handle. Bagong repair. Yan guys. Yung size nito is 20 inch. Napakaganda pang travel. Ito naman guys, brand new. 20 inches. For only 1,320 inch na siya, brand new. Yan. Oh. Yan guys. Yan guys, brand new yan ha. Ito din, brand new. Brand new Bratzy luggage. For only 1,300. 20 inch, maliit lang. Hand carry luggage. Hello.